RyanSpeech is the first publicly available male voice corpus in the conversational settings. So there are a couple of problems with the current corpora for producing high-quality TTS systems. They are usually in the reading domains, they have multiple speakers, or they are recorded in the low quality. So what's new about the RyanSpeech? RyanSpeech is the only corpus in the domain of conversation. Of course, there are other conversational corpora, but they have multiple speakers or they are recorded in a very high noise environment. So all the audio files in this corpus are recorded by a single professional male speaker at the sampling rate of 44 kilohertz in the studio. And it consists of real-life conversations, and we open source the code and the data set. So the Corpus Creation pipeline is as follows. So first we collected the data which comes from the Ryan chatbot, Taskmaster 2, and LibriTTS. So the first two are chit chat setting and contains short conversation. Then we did the text pre-processing. We used Spacey for sentence segmentation, and next we did text normalization. Then we trimmed the silence from the beginning and the end of each audio file manually. And finally, we did a post-processing, which is normalizing the amplitudes of these sound files. Here you can see the statistics of the corpus. The total length is almost 10 hours with the mean sentence length of 58 characters with the standard deviation of 26 characters. Compared to other corpora, you can see the number of characters. RyanSpeech is pretty low, which makes sense because it's in the conversation setting. And the same thing with the audio length. Then we use this data set to train a neural vocoder. We use parallel waveGAN. On the right-hand side, you can see the ground truth speech and generated speech based on this vocoder. Then we use 4 different models for training the text-to-speech model. We used Tactron, Fast-to-Speech 2, and Conformer. Here you can see the results of the mean opinion score, which is the human evaluation, and Conformer has the best output. And you can have access to the codes and corpus from these links. Here I can show one example. Here, this is the ground truth.
Is there a specific cuisine that you like?
And this is the synthesized.
Is there a specific cuisine that you like?
Thank you.